I cannot believe that Nature Cat grounded me after the trip to Japan last week. What am I going to do to get revenge on him? I have an idea. I'll steal Nature Cat's car with my girlfriend Miley. But Hal's credit card must be stolen first. He. I'll call Miley right now. Oh, hey Miley. Would you like to have some fun with me, starting with stealing Hal's credit card, as well as Nature Cat's car as revenge for him grounding me after the Japan trip? You would. Okay, bye. Hey Miley. Are you ready to get this started?
Hell yeah, I am. Now, let's go steal Hal's credit card and Nature Cat's car. Well, we stole Hal's credit card. After we steal Nature Cat's car, we'll go to the movies and see The Mandalorian and Grog.
Welcome to the movie theater. What movie would you like to see?
We'd like 2 tickets for The Mandalorian and Grog, please.
Well, that'll be $5 each.
Here's my credit card.
Enjoy the movie.
The movie will now start. Enjoy the show.
Oh boy. This is going to be a great movie. That was a really fun movie. Miley, let's have some more fun here at Chuck E. Cheese's.
Nature Cat, I cannot find my credit card. Any luck with your car?
I have that same feeling about my car. How could this have happened?
I believe Ronald and Miley had something to do with this. They stole my credit card and your car.
You're right. I'll call the police right now.
911, what's your emergency, please?
Hello, is this the police? Ronald and Miley stole Hal's credit card and my car. Please arrest them both. Okay, bye.
Well, let's think of where else to go for some fun.
Ronald and Miley, you both are under arrest for stealing Hal's credit card and Nature Cat's car.
Get in the police car right now. You both are going to jail for a long time.
This is your cell. Get in there right now. Oh, and you have some visitors who wish to see you.
Ronald, how dare you and Miley steal Hal's credit card and my car? That's it. You are grounded for 8,312,976 decades.
As for you, Miley, you are grounded for 809,211 centuries. When you both get out of jail, you are going to have many punishments awaiting you. We will see you whenever we see you. Goodbye.
Man. Jail is going to suck.
I know, right?